Hi everyone, welcome back. Today in this video I will demonstrate how you can save all or part of a workbook to a static work page. During this demo, usually if you share an Excel worksheet with someone, that person can freely edit the spreadsheet. In some cases, you may want to send someone a spreadsheet with data, but you also want to ensure that he doesn't accidentally or intentionally edit it so that the numbers remain accurate. We can do this by making the spreadsheet read-only in Excel as we discussed earlier, or you can convert it from Excel to another format such as PDF file or even a website. Similar options are available for other standard Office software, including Microsoft Word. If you need to share information in a workbook with someone and be assured that the data remains intact, you can save your Excel workbook as a web page file and HTML renders an Excel workbook and a web page file that can be opened with many browsers. You will save the browser workbook with this type of file. Go to File and Save As. So choose Browse. After Browse, so now choose your file type, Save As type here. Okay, you can see it here. Choose web page here. Okay, so choose where you want it, save it as save on desktop. Let me change the name to anything I want, S3 final. So let's save. Okay, you can see some features in your workbook might be lost if you save it as web page. So do you want to keep it? Yes. Okay, now let's go back to our desktop and see and look for it. F3 here, S3, sorry. Here you can see it here down. Okay, now let's open it. You can see now it is opened in a web browser. So thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson.